Hello everyone, this is Shubham and welcome to your UIPath tutorial. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Excel manipulation. So we're going to see the Excel operations called write and read, and we're going to do that using our RPA. So how we're going to do that? Let's go to our UIPath first, call for a sequence, drop a sequence under a flowchart. You can create your own flowchart again. I am using the existing one. Go to your sequence and search for Excel application scope, right? Take that Excel application scope, drop it under your sequence. When you drop this, it says it's asking you for the Excel path, right? Wherever your Excel has been stored with this workbook path, right? And see if you notice that there's a do box. So any operation, whether it's gonna be write or read, you're gonna keep it under this do box only. So first, we have created one Excel, and we're gonna take the path of that. Go to this property, and let's copy that. Go to our UI path, keep it in double and comma, and another slash, which is and the name of our XLS6, right? Now, first operation, what we're gonna do, we're gonna write something into our Excel. So for that, you have an activity called write cell. Drop it under do box. See, it says the sheet and the cell number is asking, and whatever you're gonna write into that. So if you work in any big project, there can be multiple environment called UAT, QAT, and SIT, then different pre-prod and prod. Based on that, you need to write some data into your Excel, and there can be only one Excel with different sheets. But over here, as we are doing example only, the sheet name is sheet 1 cell. Yeah. And suppose I'm gonna wanna write in cell number B5. Copy that B5 cell, paste it into UiPath, right? And what do you wanna write? So I'm gonna write our course name, which is what? RPA, UI and path. And let's try running it. It should be typing at the B5 cell, the sheet 1 location, under this sheet our data, which is RPA UI. So okay, does not have a start node. We have forgot that, right? We need to connect the start node to our sequence. So let's do that. Connect it. Connection has been done. Now let's run it again. Let's check our Excel now. See, RPA UI path has been pasted on the B5 location, right? Now suppose I want to read something from this location called A3, Cyprus, right? I'll go to our UI path, and it's gonna be very similar. It's nothing different. So write cell for writing something into Excel. Read cell to read something from Excel. Drop it over here. Sheet, and from the location A3, right? Instead of A1, we have A3, and you wanna store it somewhere, right? Let's store it into a variable called course, right? Done. Okay, course is not a variable name, it says, so I'll say now course, right? Variable is there, is course, right? The course has been created. Now what you're gonna do, you wanna see, right, whether it has been there or not, it has stored into that box or not. So we're gonna take a message box, we're gonna pass our course variable into here, which should be quoted up as says, and let's see whether it is taking and printing that stuff or not. So RPA UIPath is gonna be overridden, and then it's saying course only, so that means it shouldn't be under quotes, I guess. Now let's save it and run it again. Now it's gonna print Cypress this side. See, Cypress has been printed out. Again, this is, I've been kept on showing you the message box. Now if I wanna print something on console, for that, write line. Take write line, drop it over here, and same, pass your variable name called course, right? And it's gonna print it into your output console over there. Let's see as it happened or not. Cypress. Then see, in output you also see. So for write line, you're gonna use it to print it on your console. For message box, if you wanna see into the message box, right? So we have seen what? We have seen the writing into Excel, reading into from Excel, and to manipulation, basically manipulation of Excel application, right? And suppose I'm gonna try something else. Suppose in A6, I want to write what Selenium, right? And let's see whether Selenium is going to get printed over there at once, like writing also and reading also. Selenium has been printed, read, Cypress has been read up, and Cypress has been printed in output as well. So yeah, so we have seen Excel manipulation, reading and writing using UiPath. And in the next lecture, we're gonna move forward with our UiPath session, and we'll see something about that. Till that time, thank you so much.